हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कोइबेले नाइक ऑफिशियल। आज हम 2013 का नीट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि उसका 3 पार्ट्स होगा। आज पार्ट 1 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91, सिलेक्ट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट। ऑप्शन ए, आइसोगैमेट्स आर सिमिलर इन स्ट्रक्चर, फंक्शन एंड बिहेवियर। Option 2, anisogamous differ either in structure, function, or behavior. Question Option 3, in oocytes, female gamete is smaller and motile while male gamete is larger and non-motile. Option 4, Chlamydomonas exhibits both isogamy and anisogamy and fucosougamy. Answer is option number 3, because female gamete is larger and non-motile and male gamete is smaller and motile. Then of question number 92, which one of the following is not a correct statement? Herbarium house dried, pressed and preserved plant specimen. Botanical garden have collection of living plant for reference. A museum has collection of photograph and plant and animals. Key is a taxonomic aid for identification of specimen. Option number C is the correct answer. बिकॉज म्यूजियम में कलेक्शन ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स नहीं होता है, उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्पेसिमेन होता है। Sorry. 93 question. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gamete is found in Chlamydomonas, Pyrogyra, Volvox, Fucus. ये एक मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है। इसका आंसर है Spirogyra. Beside paddy fields, cyanobacteria are also found inside the vegetative part of Pinus, Cycas, Equisetum, Psilotum. Answer is option number B. Uh, Answer option number B, that is Cycas. Mecas sporangium is equivalent to embryo sac, fruit, nucellus, and ovule. Answer is option number D, that is nucellus, ovule. Question number 96. Read the following statement A to E. Answer the question which follows them. In liverworts, mosses and fawn, gametophyte are free living. Gymnosperm, some fawns are heterosporous. Sexual reproduction in Fucus, Volvox, and Albugo is oogamous. The sporophyte in liverwort is more elaborate than the mosses. And option E, both Finus and Marchantia are dioecious. How many of the above statement are correct? Pinus एक monoecious है, so ये wrong है. And then sporophyte in liverwort is more elaborate. No, Mosa ji more elaborate है, means mosses are more elaborate. So ये option D and option E दोनों incorrect. So A, B, C तीन, option number C is the correct answer. The 97 number question. Among bitter ground, mustard, brinjal, pumpkin, china rose, lupin, cucumber, sun hemp, gram, guava, bean, chili, plum, petunia, tomato, rose, witania, potato, onion, yellow, and tulip. How many plants have hyphogynous flower? 6, 10, 15, 18. हमें चेक करना है कितना, कितने कितने उसमें हाइपोगाइनस फ्लावर शो होता है। मस्टर्ड में शो होता है, ब्रिंजल में भी शो होता है, मस्टर्ड में शो होता है, ब्रिंजल में शो होता है, चाइना रोज में भी, एंड चाइना रोज एंड चिल्ली, पेटूनिया, पेटूनिया, टोमाटो, विथस्टानिया, पोटैटो, 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 लुपिन, 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 लुपिन एंड ऑनियन, ऑनियन, सॉन हेम्प बी, बीन बी, टू लीव। सो कितना हुआ? 15 हुआ। सॉरी। Then 98 number question. Question number 98. Interfascicular cambium develops from the cell of medullary ridge, xylem parenchyma, endodermis, pericycle. Answer is option number A, that is medullary ridge. In China rose, the flowers are actinomorphic hypogynous with twisted estivation, actinomorphic epigynous with velvet estivation, zygomorphic hypogynous with imbricate estivation, zygomorphic epigynous with twisted estivation. Answer is option number A, that is actinomorphic hypogynous with twisted estivation. Lenticels are involved in transpiration, gaseous exchange, food transport, photosynthesis. Answer is option number uh, 2, that is gaseous exchange. Age of tree can be estimated by its height and girth, biomass, number of annual rings, diameter of its heartwood. Answer is option number C, that is number of annual rings. Seed coat is not thin and membranous in match, coconut, groundnut, and gram. Answer is option number D, that is gram. Uh, Question number 1 and 3. Transition state structure of the substrate formed during an enzymatic reaction. Transient but stable, permanent but unstable, transient, unstable, permanent, stable. Answer is option number C, that is transient and unstable. Phosphoglyceride is always made up of only a saturated fatty acid with esterified to a glycerol molecule to which phosphate group is also attached. Only an unsaturated fatty acid esterified to a glycerol molecule to which a phosphate group is also attached. A saturated or unsaturated fatty acid esterified to a glycerol molecule whose phosphate group is also attached. A saturated or unsaturated fatty acid esterified to a phosphate group which is also attached to a glycerol molecule. Answer is option number C. Question 105. Pigment containing membranous extension in some cyanobacteria, heterocyst, basal bodies, pneumatophore, chromatophore. Answer is option number D, that is chromatophore. A major site for synthesis of lipid, RER, SER, simplest nucleoplasm. Answer is option number B, that is SER. In the complex found by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosomes called equatorial plate, kinetochore, bivalent axoneme. Answer is option number C, that is bivalent. Question number 108. The three boxes in the diagram represent the three major biosynthetic pathway in aerobic respiration. Arrows represent net reaction or products. 4, 8, 12. इस सब में ATV मिलेगा. Option number B. The most abundant intracellular cation is Na plus, calcium 2 plus, H plus, K plus. Answer is option number D, that is K plus. During seed germination, its stored food is mobilized by ethylene cytokinin ABA gibberellin. Answer is option number D, that is gibberellin. Which of the following criteria does not pertain to the facilitated transport requirement of special membrane proteins, high selectivity, transport saturation, off-field transport? Answer is option number D, that is off-field transport. The fast stable product of fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in leguminous plant is NO2 minus ammonia NO3 minus glutamate. Answer is option number B, that is ammonia. Which of the metabolites is common to respiration-mediated breakdown of fats, carbohydrates, and protein? Glucose 6-phosphate, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, pyruvic acid, acetyl-CoA. Answer is acetyl-CoA. It is a more repeated question. And which of the following statement is correct? Hard outer layer of pollen is called intine. Sporogenous tissue is haploid. Endothecium produces microspores. Tapetum nourishes the developing pollen. Answer is option number 4, that is tapetum nourishes the developing pollen. Product of sexual reproduction generally generates longer viability of seeds, prolonged dormancy, new genetic recombination leading to variation, large biomass. Answer is option number 3, that is new genetic combination leading to variation. जब भी sexual reproduction होता है तब कुछ variety create होता है, new genetic combination create होता है. So option number C is the correct answer. 116. Meiosis takes place in Meiocyte, Conidia, Gemule, Megaspore. Obviously, its answer is option number A, that is Meiocyte. Advantages of cleistogamy is higher genetic variability, more vigorous offspring, no dependence on pollinator, vivipary. Answer is option number C, that is no dependence on pollinator. Monoecious plant of Chara shows occurrence Antheridium and Archaeogonifer on the same plant, stamen and carpel on the same plant, upper Antheridium and lower Oogonium on the same plant, upper Oogonium and lower Antheridium on the same plant. Answer is option number D, that is upper Oogonium and lower Antheridium. Perisperm differs from endosperm, being an haploid tissue having no reserve food. Being a diploid tissue, its formation by fusion of secondary nucleus with several sperms. Perisperm differ from endosperm in being a diploid tissue. Question number 120. Which of the following statement is not true of the so 50% recombination frequency, the gene may be different chromosome, gene are tightly linked, the genes show independent assortment. If the gene are present in the same chromosome, they undergo more than one crossing over in every meiosis. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर बिकॉज जिसमें 50% रिकॉम्बिनेशन हो रहा है वो टाइटली लिंक्ड कैसे हो सकता है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई होप कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा और उसका नेक्स्ट 2 पार्ट आएगा. थैंक यू.